In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a big team, tracking ongoing tasks, or simply looking to organize your workload, ClickUp is a fantastic tool to streamline your workflow. By leveraging its powerful features, you can set up a detailed and fully customized project plan in no time. So let's dive right into the steps and get your next project up and running. First things first, open your ClickUp home screen. This is where all your projects and tasks are displayed, giving you a clear overview of everything you're working on. Next, locate the specific project you want to work on. This could be an existing project that you want to enhance with a plan or a new one you're starting from scratch. Once you've found the project, hover your mouse over it. You'll see 3 dots appear. This is your options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select the template option. Templates are pre-designed structures that can save you time and effort by giving you a great starting point for organizing your project. Now, click on the Browse Template option. This will take you to ClickUp's template library, which is packed with a variety of templates for different needs. To find what we're looking for, type Project Plan into the search bar at the top of the page and then press Enter. From here, scroll through the available project plan templates. You'll see options that vary in design and structure. So take a moment to choose one that fits your specific needs. Once you've found the one you like, click Use Template to select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new project plan. Make sure to choose a name that's descriptive and easy for your team to identify. After naming your project, you'll have the option to customize the template even further. This is where you can really make it your own by adding or removing columns, changing task names, or assigning colored tags to help categorize your tasks. When you're happy with your customizations, click Use Template again to finalize everything, and load the project plan into your workspace. The template will now be fully integrated into your workspace, ready for you to start using. If you need to make any final adjustments, you can rename the project plan by editing the title. Additionally, you can adjust or rearrange items within the plan to better suit your team's preferences. This flexibility is one of the reasons ClickUp is such a powerful tool for managing projects. Once everything looks good, save your changes and you're all set to begin using your customized project plan. From here, you can start assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and tracking progress, all within the structure you've just created. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.